10th class. We are studying about chemistry of non-metal, and now we are coming in nitrogen. As we know that atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is 2 to 5. Its first cell contain 2 electron and outermost cell will contain 5 electron. Normal temperature and pressure condition nitrogen is found in the gaseous state, and most importantly it is the element of group 15. Nitrogen is a element of group 15. Nitrogen is most abundant element in the atmosphere. At one point of the time in the past, we believed that air is an element. Okay, it means we were believing that air is an element. How we came to know? Black said about it that when a candle is burnt inside a closed jar or a beaker, it extinguished after some time, and we can conclude that the air left inside in the beaker no longer support in combustion. Means there is one gas which is not supporting for combustion. As we know that the oxygen always support in combustion, but in air there must be some gas which is not supporting in combustion. Then Daniel Rutherford came and he gave the name, the gas which is not supporting its combustion is known as nitrogen. Okay. Now you just see the laboratory method of preparation of nitrogen. Take equal amount of 25 gram of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrate, NH4Cl and NaNO2. We will see the reaction later after. In a round bottom flask. This is a round bottom flask which is connected with a delivering tube, and it is a gas jar having water, and this is burner, and this is wire gauge, and this is clamp. So what we do equal amount of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite in a round bottom flask. Add 100 ml, approximately 100 ml of water inside the flask. Okay, that ammonium chloride and sodium chloride dissolve in water. Take a glass tube, water through the test tube arranged in a is shown in figure that you are seeing. Now as you heat this composition, you will get nitrogen over the water in gas jar, and that nitrogen which you contain by the reaction of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite. What is the reaction? Just see, this is ammonium chloride, this is sodium nitrite, get heated and converted themselves into NaNO2. This is Na or this is Cl. Now it is converting NaCl2. NaNO2 is converting itself into NaCl2. Then 2 mole of water is coming on, because here 4 hydrogen, and N2 releases 1 N from this side and 1 N from this side, and you get nitrogen gas over the water in gas jar. Okay. Now we are talking about the chemical reaction of nitrogen. When nitrogen react with oxygen at 2000 Kelvin, it form 2NO, that is nitrous oxide. Okay. And when nitrogen react with lithium, which is most electropositive element in the periodic table, 6 Li, because one Li possesses 1 positive charge, with N2 positive, 1 N possesses 3 positive charge, so you need 2 N. Heated and you will get 2 Li3N, that is known as lithium nitrate. This is most important reaction. We form ammonia through Haber process. This is N2, 1 volume, 3 volume H2, both are in the gaseous state and both will be pure in the pure form. Then the temperature will be 450 to 500 and 200 atm. The most important thing will be here, that is Fe2O3. It will work as a catalyst, and MO, molybdenum, which will work as a catalytic promoter, that is MO, which will increase the intensity of this catalyst. Okay, and you will get 2NH3. This process is known as Haber process. This 2 is very important. This is catalyst and this is catalytic promoter, which will provide this Fe2O3 to enhance itself. Okay. Now just see the use of nitrogen. Definitely protein found in living organism are compound of nitrogen and some other element like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and sulfur. It is used in the most industrial manufacturing of ammonia and nitric acid to create an inert atmosphere in packaged food. Chips packets are nitrogen filled packet, okay, because that air comes from chips packet, that is actually nitrogen. Then manufacturing of useful fertilizer like urea in agriculture field. Liquid nitrogen rapidly absorbed heat, therefore it is used to freeze and preserve tissue sample, blood sample also. Okay, tissue culture and blood sample also depending in the liquid nitrogen. Now I am talking about oxygen. Oxygen is element of group 16. Its atomic number will be 8. Its outermost configuration will be 2 and 6. Oxygen is always found in a diatomic state, that is O2. It is also found in nature in triatomic state, which is known as ozone. Okay, the laboratory preparation of oxygen is always held by potassium permanganate KMnO4 heated. It convert into potassium magnet K2MnO4 plus MnO2 and oxygen will form. What is happening in laboratory method? Let's see. What you have to do for the preparation of oxygen gas. This is a glass boiling tube. In that glass boiling tube you have to take 2 to 3 gram of potassium permanganate, connect this glass boiling tube through the delivery pipe with gas jar. And in gas jar there will be water, so you have to collect oxygen over the water. This is cork, this one is a cork. Now what you will do, you start heating this 2 to 3 gram of potassium permanganate, and as the material started boiling, one gas is formed which is coming from this delivery pipe and collecting over the water. And as this gas jar will fill with oxygen, you just do one thing to collect this gas is you just keep your thumb and remove the test tube. Okay, and now you just check that whatever gas you found is oxygen. This is the chemical property of oxygen, some reaction of oxygen. First is that with sodium 4Na plus O2 will be gives 2Na2O2, this is sodium oxide. Then N2 plus O2 2NO nitrous oxide. Water formation है ना, the most important thing in the earth, that is water. 2H2 plus O2, but not in a normal condition. Electrical spark means more than 2000 to 3000 degree temperature, then and then you will form water, not in a normal condition. Then again ammonia, last in nitrogen we formed ammonia, now we are reacting ammonia with oxygen. So 4NH3 plus 3O2, nitrogen will liberate 2N2 and 6H2O will be formed. Again the last reaction is 4HCl plus O2. Catalyst, any catalyst you can use like cuprous chloride and all it. At 400 degree you will form chlorine and water molecule.